welcome back to Miss Ocasio Reads. I'm Miss Ocasio and I'm so excited to read with you today. Do you use any special tools each day to help your body? Like a stepping stool to reach something up high? Or training wheels to stay balanced on your bike? Today we'll read a story about a mom with a special condition called muscular dystrophy, and how she uses a motorized chair to help her get from place to place to do all of her everyday things. But first, let's roll!
Rolling Through Life with Mommy, written by Talisha Jibb, illustrated by Winda Mulasari. Hello, our names are Liam and Lee. We are twins who are mighty and so sweet. And here's our little brother Chase and his baby feet. See, we have a lot to teach him. We hope he will learn fast, because growing up with us will sure be a blast. Especially because of our super mom and her rolling chair. It's time we explain just why Mom's chair is always there. Everyone sit back, relax, and try to just stay calm, for this is a story all about rolling through life with Mom. See, she uses the chair with wheels to move along with us, and you never hear Mommy complain and never ever fuss. Just because she cannot walk, it doesn't mean a thing. Mom can still laugh, dance, play, and even sing. It's called muscular dystrophy? I think we said it well, but that big word doesn't change a thing. She is super, can't you tell? Mommy feeds us, bathes us, and washes all our hair. She works a lot, grocery shops, all right in her chair. Sometimes we know it must be hard. Many don't understand. Being in a wheelchair wasn't what she planned. She has to work much harder than other moms most days. Doing small things might be tough, but Mom always finds a way. She works a lot like grown-ups do, and sometimes she is sad. But that's where we come in and hug her till she's glad. People stare, people look, but that's where we come in too. We can show them all the things a rolling mom can do. In the morning, she gives us morning hugs and kisses day and night. We play at the park on warmer days when the sun is big and bright. In the summer, it's so warm, we can all go on a stroll. It's such a wonderful life with Mom, and we are on a roll. Now, Chase, it is all right that Mom always has her chair, because no matter when we need her, she is always there. Our Mom loves us oh so much, more than anyone else, you see. Her love is bigger than the sun and moon, and she shares it with us three. And Dada too, don't worry. Mom has enough love to go around. From a chair, from a car, from anywhere, Mom's love can always be found. What else should we say? Maybe you'll learn some on your own. Oh, and Mom's love won't run out, even when we're grown. If you have any questions, just ask once you can speak, because our rolling mommy is anything but weak. So I suppose that's it, little Chase. I think we've said a lot. Lee and Liam! Mommy's calling. Was there something we forgot? Oh, that's right, the ending. That's always the worst part. That means a story is over. and ours is at the start. Since this is our first story, you'll see us again somewhere. For now, it's time for an adventure with Mommy's rolling chair. The end. For now. This copy is donated to Miss Ocasio and friends. Enjoy this read from Talisha.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story, and remember that everyone's body is different. What kind of things do you use each day to help your body? Ask your grown-up for help in the description below, downloading a fun activity to go along with this story. See you next time! Thanks for joining me today for Miss Ocasio Reads. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your teachers and friends. Subscribe to read more stories with me. Connect with me on social media with the grown-ups' help to suggest the next story. And visit Miss Ocasio Meets to get to know your favorite authors. Thanks for watching.